Hey everybody, Attorney Matt Crow's Marc Lopez law firm here. I want to talk about what happens if you get a DUI or an OVWI and you have children in the car. So generally speaking, a DUI or an OVWI, again, in Indiana, we use them interchangeably. Obviously, there's some other states, Illinois will use DUI, a lot of other places will use DUI or OWI. Indiana calls it operating a vehicle while intoxicated, or OVWI. So all these terms are used interchangeably. Those generally start out at the lowest level as a C misdemeanor. They can raise to an A misdemeanor depending on blood alcohol concentration or driving behavior. But it can even go up one more to a level 6 felony if you have children under the age of 18 in the vehicle. So if you're driving home from work, or you're driving home from an after school function, or you're driving home from a holiday party or something to that effect, a birthday party, you had a couple of drinks, and you get pulled over, even if you get pulled over for a minor infraction, having a tail light out or something to that effect, officer will come up, if he smells alcohol, give you the field sobriety test. If they have enough to get to a DUI and you have two kids or a kid in the back seat, front seat, doesn't matter as long as they're 18 or under, it gives the state the ability to up that DUI from what would normally be a misdemeanor to a level 6 felony. And there's even a possibility, if the state wants to be super sneaky, they could file it as a level 5 felony, neglect of a dependent, if they really want to get to that level, which level 5, punishable by up to 6 years, Indiana Department of Corrections. But generally speaking, OVWI with a kid, they'll just try to charge it to a felony 6. Now, under no circumstance, if someone calls us and they have a first time or second time DUI, they get a felony 6 because they had kids in the car, we're going to do everything we can to try and get rid of that felony. Felonies are going to be with you forever. They infringe on so many rights, the right to vote, the right to carry a firearm, amongst others. So the biggest goal is try to get rid of that felony. But if you get caught driving while intoxicated and you have a kid in the car, the state's going to upcharge it to a felony 6. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.